Hey guys, this is Ajay. Let's get started. So today we are going to see S3 replication in AWS. So this is a part of disaster recovery plan. What if you are having a S3 bucket in India? S3 bucket in India, and you want to take a backup or a replication somewhere else. Like we are having cross-region replication. This means we can take from India to USA or another country or any region or same region replication. That is, you will be doing replicating the data from India within India. This is for disaster recovery plan. What if a database happens something, or we have to take some backup plan, or we have to store some data, save somewhere else. So we are going to see a small hands-on on S3 replication. To log in into AWS console, before logging, this is the workflow. We are going to create an S3 bucket in India, and we are going to assign replication rules so that automatically when I upload some object in S3 in India, it will be replicated in USA automatically without any human intervention due to replication rules. Let's see the hands-on. So log into AWS console and go inside Amazon S3 and give create bucket. After going inside, so this is our source bucket, source replication, source replication bucket. Let's name this. We have to enable a versioning. So let's enable versioning and create a bucket. Application here. Let's give this as we need to give globally. Let's wait for and create another bucket in same region, same region application target. Okay. Application target get here and create another bucket in a different region. So let's choose USA. Get name cross region application target. Okay. Below and create. We have created three buckets. One is the source bucket, which is in India, and another bucket, which is for same region replication, and another for cross region replication. It is in India and it is in US. So go inside the source bucket. We are going to give replication rules. Go inside management tab. Have life cycle rule. Below this, we have replication rule. Create a replication rule. So let's say same region replication. So applies to all object. Let's say to all and choose a bucket in this account. Yes, and we can also choose a bucket from another account. Yes, if we give this, we will be asked for account ID and the bucket name. If we give this, we can also access a bucket from another account. So choose a bucket in this account and browse. So for same region replication, this is our target bucket. Choose the path. We are going to create new role. After giving that, go give save. I have created one rule for same region replication and create another replication rule for cross region. cross region replication, play to all object, and mouse. We are going to choose US region. After creating this, let's set our bucket. So in source bucket, we are going to upload file and we are going to check other buckets. So upload a file, add file, and upload. So upload has been successfully. For replication, it may take some time. So let's check other buckets too. So whether it has replicated or not. We have only uploaded a file in this source bucket and we have set rules to replicate automatically to same region replication this bucket and cross region replication for USA. So let's open same region replication which is in India and also USA. To replicate, AWS will take some time. So wait for that and let's check. See this replication, we have uploaded object which has replicated and in cross replication. Let's open this file. We have uploaded a file in this, but we got two files which has been replicated automatically. So let's open this cross-region replication file which is in USA, which we have uploaded, and check for the object. Open it. So here it is. So we have replicated from USA to India or in India to USA. We can do anything. Not only USA, we can replicate to any region. We can do same region replication or cross-region replication. By this, we save time and it will be easily backed up. Thank you guys.